Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Now I'm going to dive straight into the tutorial. Remember, we're in the key of F sharp, so worry less because I'm going to show you both the right hand and the bass. Now this is how we play the right hand, so that way the first part of the solo, yeah, that way, yes, then that way. Now I'm going to move to the second part, so this is how we play the second part, yeah, that way, then you move there, yeah, that way, that way.